on today's episode.
Alright, get to 65.
Are you sure? Then we won't change.
Dude, you're gonna be a crispy critter. We're Irish, we merge. It's on the downside.
Stickers! Oh, it's like $2 stickers.
You don't know, spam UCB is the way of life. Bro, we go shopping, we go shopping.
You guys want it? Can we try a banana one?
Yeah, get a couple.
Just get a row. Get a couple, yeah.
Just get a row.
Get a strawberry, get a banana. And then, oh, I got a strawberry. Do you
want
a
mango? Sure.
I don't like mango.
Well, you...
86.36.
This is our first time back to Hyatt Regency Waikiki, and prior you were able to go to the valet and pick up towels for the beach. They just informed us to go to the pool on the 3rd floor on the elevators. I also want to mention that if you're ever staying here at the hotel, do not do the self-parking. Pay the little bit of extra money for the valet parking. It is totally worth it. That parking structure is a nightmare. It's so tight and so many circles, you get dizzy going up, and it takes forever to get in and out of that place. Hyatt Regency Waikiki valet all the way. So the 3rd floor will look like this, and this is what you're going to be looking at as you're going to get the towels. Now you're going to make this right here, and there is a little jacuzzi that looks really cool and comfy. And you cruise along the side, and you should see the pool in front of you, and then right to the right side of the pool right here will be a man or a woman handing out towels and beach chairs. All you have to do is sign your name and what hotel room you're in.
Alright, so you can see it is heavy. You gotta go 3 floors, do this and that, sign something, vlog. It's amazing. But you know, it's all for you guys for the 1 mil. We got it.
So this is the oceanfront room looks like. And then we have 2 beds. Tons of space, a refrigerator. They give you free water bottles. And there's the sink area, and to the right is the bathroom. 2 chairs, and then the beautiful view.
So I was getting way too hot outside, so I had to come back inside and cool off in here in the water and all that and take my asthma spray. I know, sucks, right? But it's so nice, it's so pretty, the gorgeous view. Oh, what we're gonna eat tonight? Let's go. Alright, so tonight we're gonna go eat at RumFire.
When the hurricane comes, you panic.
Alright, you wanna get up?
You guys want to be seated inside or outside?
Inside or outside?
Nice. And then we do have adult pool. Yeah.
Okay.
Just for adults. Yeah. There's the infinity pool.
Oh, infinity pool. Yes.
That's the one that opens.
Yes. Yeah.
Adults like 21 or?
Yes. 21.
Who have big families? They can't be
Are you
doing all
recording?
that.
Very
good though. The Kona Kampachi.
That is so much.
Honey. Ooh, that was delicious. Thank you.
Oh, is that there?
For the shells. Thank you so much. It's good.
Look at it. And like that.
That's great.
How was the hair earlier?
It's good. Chocolate.